Do this, so yeah, come on, let's go get my car wash. So right here, I was kind of driving a little crazy because, yeah, people don't know how to drive, and they was just in my way. And it was hot out too. I was trying, get to the car wash, do what I gotta do, so I could get back under my cool roof. You know what I'm saying? So, okay, I'm gonna pull up right here, park, and I'm gonna show y'all my car. Let me hurry up because I'm in lane, and well, it's 2 lanes, so y'all. Look at my car. Like, y'all see all this stuff? So I've been neglecting my baby. Look at this. Yeah, oh my god. I'm so we finna get this car wash check.
Welcome to our car wash. Please.
Baby, I need the deluxe.
Please pay with either credit card or cash. Please wait while your receipt is being printed. Thank you for your business. We look forward to seeing you
So I be liking when they right here and they got the little scrubble. Me and not even tell you neutral, and we good to go. Because this is well needed. I'm glad it ain't that many people at the vacuums, and I hope that they work real good, because y'all know these vacuums don't be vacuuming at all. Okay, I'm gonna set y'all up and then vacuum. Okay, so y'all, I'm finna go clean my mat over here at the mat cleaner. So right here with this. go do the other one. You gotta let that. But as y'all can see how dirty my mat is.
So I'm gonna scrub it and do the same thing.
These is the cleaning wipes I use for my interior. As I mentioned before, I don't know if y'all can hear me, but as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I did wipe out my interior 2 days ago, but just to you know, make sure everything, you know, look fresh.
Yeah, I think just go over it one more time. Like this. I don't know if you can see like the shine it gives it. But I do this and then I go over with my
Armor All protecting wipes. They both are clean, but one is just says cleaning and one says protecting, but they both do the same thing. This one just protects it from like from UV damage, stuff like that. So I like to go over the cleaning wipes with these, just to, you know. I'm trying to set y'all up to see how I clean my guys like that. I usually have a bag up in here, but I don't see it where I could throw my little, where I could throw my trash in. It's not too dirty up here. Like I said, I just cleaned it out 2 days ago. Well, I wiped it and cleaned it 2 days ago and stuff like that. But I just wanted to go over it again because, yeah, who don't love a clean car? I love when my car is clean. So now that I cleaned it with the cleaning wipes, I'm gonna take a protecting wipe and then just kind of go over what I just wiped. And I mostly like to focus on the dash when I use the protecting wipes, just because, you know, that's where the sun shines most. I'm about to take the steering wheel cover off and clean, because that's one thing that I didn't clean. So take that off. You gotta get under the steering wheel cover. You got to, because my camera had that, but I just wiped off my steering wheel. As y'all can see right here, it gotta dry, and then once it dry, I'm gonna put the cover back on it. After like I do all that, I go in and I spray my whole car with the Febreze fabric. It's for the car, y'all. This smells so good. This smells so good, y'all. Smell like a fresh, clean new car. Exactly what it is. And then I also have these two things right here from Bath and Body Works on each side of my sun visor. My friend got me one for Christmas. It was in a little gift bag she bought me. Shout out J-Lo. And I just went and bought another one because I liked it so much, and they do make your car smell good. This is how my car looking now. Real clean. So spray the sides, spray my seat, and spray the ceiling like that. And then spray this little area in the trunk. And that is all. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.